What up, everybody? Derek Soros Photo Porto back for another video. Today we're talking about a little trick that I learned from Peter McKinnon. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a photographer, filmmaker, freelancer, and I do a lot of this YouTube stuff, man, and I hope you guys like it. If you do, please subscribe and help the channel, help support, and help me get to where I want to be. For those of you who don't know, Peter McKinnon is also a photographer, filmmaker, a lot more successful than me, that's for sure. But I watch a lot of his stuff and I learned a lot of tricks from him, and if you haven't watched his page, just really check it out. He's very charismatic and funny, and he's great at what he does. But I learned a trick from him, and that was about a little tiny notebook. Sure, it's not the same notebook he uses, but he gets himself a notebook, keeps it in his pocket at all times, and writes down any idea that he gets. I got this back in February of 2024, and I have written in it pretty much every day. I keep it in my pocket with a red pen just because I seem to like red on white paper. I don't know what it is, but I like it. I've been writing in it pretty much every day. Yes, for sure, some days do go by without me writing in it, but it's not like a journal. It's basically all of my YouTube ideas, videos that I would like to make, or sometimes just small words of encouragement to boost my confidence and help me keep on keeping on. Because, you know, I have to admit, every now and then I do get very down. I do feel a little bit depressed, like things are not working, and I'm just like you guys, you know what I mean? I'm trying my best, and sometimes when you're trying your best and you don't see things advance quite as quickly as you'd like, you start to get discouraged. Anyway, I'm like that. I go back and I read some of the words of encouragement in here and some ideas. What I like to do with that is, when I have a chance, because I don't always have the time, I end up batch recording, and I'll take ideas in here, a couple of pages, I'll go through it quick, and I'll record a bunch of videos. If you notice, you'll see this setup with the blue and my hat and the shirt. You'll see probably a couple of videos in a row that look like that. That's because I filmed them all around the same time, or all maybe even one after another. I've done it before, and I'll do it again. It's the best way for me to work because I'm busy. So when I get a chance, I try to get them all out there, do my thing, and get them done. I would hardly suggest getting yourself a little notebook. I have a bunch of other ones. This one is almost full. Have I done everything in it? No. Will I maybe transfer them to the other one? Maybe. I don't know yet. I'm not there yet. I'm still on this one. And in 2025, I'm guaranteed that I'm gonna keep doing it. You'd be amazed how it's like, because you have something in your pocket, you wanna do more with it. You wanna write down things, you wanna come up with stuff. I think since I've got it, I've come up with more ideas than I've ever had. And I've been doing it like that for a while now. And yeah, something about having a little notebook. It's like, it's not the same as writing notes in your phone to me. Writing it down on a piece of paper or in a little book, and you keep it in your pocket. Man, Peter McKinnon is right, because it works. It really does work, and it's not just me trying to copy somebody else. It's, you know, he makes those videos, and people make these YouTube videos the same way that I do. It's to help encourage others and help give ideas and help people find their way. And this is helping me find my way.